Do you want to learn the month of the year in Spanish? Let's get started. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English or Spanish with Laura. Today, let's start the months of the year in Spanish. Enero, January. Febrero, February. Marzo, March. Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, August. Septiembre, September. Octubre, October. Noviembre, November. Diciembre, December. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like it, please subscribe and give me a like. If you have any topic that you might like check in the future, please leave a comment below. See you next time.